Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to all students. I am Associate Professor Dr. Siti Nurul Ain binti Mat Jamil and you may call me Dr. Ain Jamil. I'm a Deputy Director 1 for the Academics and also Research for the Center of Foundation Studies of Agricultural Science in UPM. So today I'm going to brief you about the teaching and also learning at this center for the session 2022-2023. Right, let's look into the academic calendar. So we have 2 semesters for 1 year. So the first semester start in the 1st August up to 2nd of October 2022, which covers 9 weeks of lecture. And then assessment 1, or better known as Penilaian 1, will be held between 12th up to 25th of September 2022 for 2 weeks. And the mid-semester break will be held between the 3rd up to 9th of October 2022 for 1 week. Next is the lecture, will be held between 10th of October up to 11th of December 2022 for 9 weeks, giving the total of the lecture for 18 weeks. 9 weeks here and also 9 weeks here. And then assessment 2 will be held between 7th to 20th of November 2022 for 2 weeks. And also the revision break will be held between 12 up to 18 December 2022 for 1 week. And followed by the final examination between 19 up to 25 of December 2022 for 1 week. And then the inter-semester break will be held between 26th of December 2022 up to 15th of January 2023 for 3 weeks. All right, and then let's look into the second semester. The lecture will begin again on the 16th of January up to 19th of March 2023 for 9 weeks. Assessment 1 will be held between 27th of February up to 12th of March 2023 for 2 weeks. And the mid-semester break will be held between 20 up to 26th of March 2023. This one for 1 week. And then the lecture will begin again on the 27th of March up to 28th of May 2023 for 9 weeks. Assessment 2 will be held between 24th of April up to 7th of May 2023 for 2 weeks. Revision break will be held between 29th of May up to 4th of June 2023 for 1 week. And the final examination will be held between 5th up to 18th of June 2023, which covers for 2 weeks. So that's for academic calendar. And then let's look into the learning structure. I think you have known as well that this program occurs for 1 year, which covers for 2 semesters. You have seen that as well from this academic calendar. And there are 22 weeks per semester. The total of the credit hours is 56, which involve 6 subjects, which are agriculture, biology, chemistry, mathematics, physics, and also English. So let's look into the learning scheme. So for the first semester, so the courses are ASA 0104. 04 means this is for the first semester of this program. ASA, A for agriculture. So the credit hours is 5, 4 plus 1, agriculture and food industry for the first semester. And we have here as well ASB 0204. The credit hours is 5, 4 plus 1, biology 1. And this one is ASC 0304 for chemistry 1. The credit hours is 5, 4 plus 1. And this one is mathematics. ASM 0404. The credit hours is 5, 5 plus 0. And ASP 0504, the credit hours is 5, 4 plus 1, physics 1. And we have as well BBI 2001, the credit hours is 3, 2 plus 1 for Foundation English. So in this case, for the agriculture and food industry, biology, chemistry, and also physics, you're going to have amali or practical for these courses. All right, let's look into the second semester. So the code of the course for the agriculture is ASA 0105. So which means 05 for the second semester. Right, so the credit hours is similar to the first semester, which is 5, 4 plus 1. Entrepreneurship and marketing of agricultural products. And this one is ASB 0205. The credit hours is 5, 4 plus 1, biology 2. And this one is ASC 0305 for chemistry 2. Similar credit hours, just like for the first semester. And this one is ASM 0405. The credit hours is 5, 5 plus 0, mathematics 2. And this one is for physics, ASP 0505, physics 2. And this one is BBI 2002, Introduction to Academic English. So in this case, for the agriculture course, biology, chemistry, and also physics, you're going to have amali as well, which is known as practical. Right. So let's look into these photos just to show you about the activities for the learning, for the teaching and learning in this center. So this is like the SCL presentation, student-centered learning. So for the student-centered learning activities is highlighted in this center because we want to encourage students to get, to be more confident, to do a presentation and also working in group. All right, so and this one is lab work in one of the chemistry lab in the center. And this is during the amali for the agriculture courses. All right, and this one as well, some activities for the agriculture. All right, let's look into the course assessment. So this program involves continuous assessment, which covers 50%, and also final examination, 50% as well. And for you to attend, for you to eligible to attend for the final examination, your attendance must be more than 80% of credit hours. Right? If your attendance is less than 80%, then you cannot attend the final examination. Right, so for the continuous assessment, it covers assessment 1 and assessment 2, or test 1 and test 2, lab report. That is why you're going to have the amali or practical for the agriculture, physics, chemistry, and also biology, and also quiz, presentation, and also mini project. So for the assessment or test, basically it covers 30% of this 50%. So the rest will be covered by a lab report, presentation, or mini project. So it depends on the respective courses. All right, let's look into this grade scheme. So this is the mark range, this is the grade, and this is the grade value. Right, so for the mark range between 80 to up to 100%, the grade is A, the grade value is 4.00. For the mark range between 75 to 79, the grade is A minus, the grade value is 3.75. For the mark range between 70 up to 74%, the grade is 4 plus, and the grade value is 3.50. For the mark range between 65 up to 69, the grade is B, the grade value is 3.00. Mark range between 60 to 64, the grade is B minus, the grade value is 2.75. Mark range between 55 up to 59, the grade is C plus, the grade value is 2.50. The mark range between 50 to 54, the grade is C, the grade value is 2.00. For the mark range between 47 to 49, the grade is C minus, the grade value is 1.75. For the mark range between 44 to 46, the grade is D plus, the grade value is 1.50. Mark range between 40 up to 43, the grade is D, the grade value is 1.00. And if the mark range is less than 39%, so the grade is F, the grade value is 0, which is fail. Right, so this is for the simulation. I think you have seen this as well during the as per Head Start activity with your penasihat academic or PA. So this one is just to recap again for the grade point average GPA calculation method. So you have this semester 1 and this one is for the second semester. So these are the course code. These are the credits, giving the total of 28 credit hours. And let's say for the simulation, you obtain A for agriculture, A minus for biology, A for chemistry, A minus for mathematics, B plus for physics, and A minus for English. So for respective grade, for example, this one is A. So the value from here, the grade value is 4, is it? So multiply to 5 for the 5 credit hours. So it is equal to 20. And the list goes on here. And giving the total of 106.25 for semester 1. So how to obtain your GPA? So you have to take this grade value and then divide with the credit hours, giving the GPA of 3.759. So means that this is the result for your first semester. And then let's look into the second semester. Right, so these are the course code, these are the credit hours, these are the grade. Okay, so let's say you obtain A for all courses. So meaning that your grade value is 112.00. All right, so how to calculate your GPA? You take the grade value here and then divide with 28 for the credit hours for the second semester. So you obtain GPA of 4.00. And then how to calculate your CGPA or PNGK in Malay? CGPA is cumulative grade point average. So you take the total of the grade value, 106.25 added with 112.00 from here, and then divide with the total of credit hours, 28 plus 28. 28 plus 28 here, and then you divide them and you obtain 3.897, which means that your CGPA is 3.897. Right, so these are requirements, the basic requirement for you to entitle to proceed to the bachelor's degree in University Putra, Malaysia. So you must pass all 6 subjects, which are biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, agriculture, and also English. And your CGPA must not less than 2.00. Right, so this is the very important for you to know about this. Right, let's talk about this penasihat academic or academic advisor. So your academic advisor is actually among the lecturer or teacher in this center. So just to let you know that academic advisor roles, PA, right, to ensure students under academic advisor supervision are in good condition, mentally and physically, hence perform well in academics. And also to advise and guide students, whether in academics and also non-academics issue. So let's say for the students, if you have any issue, academics or non-academics, personal problems or something that you think that you can share with the PA, please let the PA know so that the PA or the academic advisor can help you. Right. So the student's role, you must communicate with your PA and seek advice from your PA for any academics or non-academic issue. It might be personal issue, it might be financial issue, or perhaps issue with your friends, with how to manage time and so on. Please, you must communicate with your PA so that we can detect your problem early. So let's say you have problem and then that can be solved at the beginning of the semester. So therefore, we hope that you can perform well at this center, at this with this program. Right. So meeting with academic advisor or PA must be held at least 2 times per semester. All right. So these are important links for you to know. This is the website of the center, asasi.upm.edu.my, and this is for the SMP, Sistem Maklumat Pelajar. All right, smp.upm.edu.my, for you to to check your schedule, and also many elements in this SMP, which is very important because this is all your information, all your academics information in this system, SMP. All right, so this is for the Putra Learning Hub, Putra Blast, learninghub.upm.edu.my. This is very important for the PDP because all your assignment, attendance via this platform, this Putra Blast. There are many elements in Putra Blast in which you must always update in Putra Blast for all courses for this semester, semester 1 and semester 2 as well in the future. All right. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.